Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers on a Dodge Dart. First, ensure you have the correct replacement wiper blades for your vehicle. Next, carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. To prevent any accidental damage, place a soft towel or a piece of cardboard on the windshield directly beneath the wiper arm. This simple step helps protect your glass during the replacement process. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the wiper arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade downwards, or sometimes upwards, off the J-hook or pin. It should detach with a gentle pull. Always maintain a firm grip on the wiper arm to prevent it from springing back and potentially cracking your windshield. Safety first. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new wiper blade's connector with the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's properly seated and won't come loose during operation. This ensures a safe and effective installation. Once both new wiper blades are installed, gently lower the wiper arms back onto your windshield. Be sure to do this slowly to avoid any impact. Finally, turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their operation to ensure they move smoothly and clear the glass effectively without leaving any streaks. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.